Today we will discuss regarding the second part of cross repetitization. Well, students, I am from Repeti department, Professor Dr. Rajiv Saxena. Cross repetitization. Second case, rearrange the totality. Case number 2, the patient is 25 years suffering from candidiasis, presented with the following picture: location, sensation, modality, and concomitant or accompaniments or accompanying symptoms. Location: skin, inner part of thigh, around genitalia and anus since 3 years. Itching, scratching, burning, whitish, discoloration, peeling of skin, qualities are aggravation, mental exertion, night, rainy season, scratching, cold weather or hot water application. Modality: accompaniments sleep disturbed during first half, muscular weakness. Treatment: allopathic. Treatment running at presently. Past history: files 3 years back, took allopathic treatment, now better. Patient as a person, physical journals: appetite, no change in appetite, enjoying eating, desire spicy food, salt, aversion milk, thirst 5 glass per day of water, takes cold water, perspiration increase generally on face, urine occasionally burning, micturition 3 to 4 times per day, stool once daily, semi-solid or semi-liquid, sexual function worried regarding issue or child, married 10 years back, doesn't have any child. Thermal reaction: fan, use always at low speed, bath, warm water always, habitual, enjoying summers, no covering during sleep, hot patient. Emotional state: worried about not having child, about financial problems in the family, irritable, gets angry, fast and shouts back, becoming violent, sensitive in dealing with other over silly matters, ब्रूडिंग, छोटी छोटी बात पर चिंता फिक्र करता था, नाराज हो जाता था, सोचने लग जाता था अबाउट पास्ट इंसिडेंट्स, जो भी पूर्व काल में घटा हो. रिएक्शन: एग्रावेशन, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन, विरोधाभास, कोई भी बात काटता था, गेट्स एंग्री, बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता था, बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा. स्लीप एंड ड्रीम्स डिस्टर्ब ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट हाफ ड्यू टू कंप्लेंट, ड्रीम्स कैन नॉट रिमेंबर, सपने उसे याद नहीं रह पाते थे. जनरल फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन: अपीयरेंस लीन थिन, वेट 52 kg, tongue slightly coated, pallor, edema absent, blood pressure 130 by 80 mmHg, pulse 78 per minute, respiratory rate 18 per minute. Cutaneous examination: whitish discoloration, rough and peeling of skin, skin उतरती थी उसकी, seen in the inner aspect of thigh, around the genitalia and anus, no discharge. Provisional diagnosis: candidiasis or differential diagnosis, tinea cruris. Life space investigation: the patient hails from a middle class family. He is a graduate working research assistant. His memory is good, performance well in the work. He is on good terms with his father. He is very irritable and gets angry फास्ट ऑन ट्रिफल, छोटी छोटी बातों पर गुस्सा हो जाता था जिन पर सोचना नहीं चाहिए. ही आल्सो थिंक ए लॉट अबाउट पास्ट इवेंट्स, द ब्रूड्स ओवर इट, छोटी छोटी बातें, पुरानी बातें, उसके ऊपर चिंता फिक्र ज्यादा करना, सोचना. रेपर्टोरियल टोटलिटी फॉर कैंट्स, अब तीनों रेपिटेशन की हम वो देखेंगे बाय कैंट, बीबीसीआर, बोगर. सिम्टम्स, रूब्रिक, पेज नंबर एंड कमेंट. नंबर कंट्राइंडिकेशन: गेट्स एंग्री, माइंड, एंगर, कंट्राडिक्शन, पेज नंबर 2. मेंटल जनरल्स. नंबर 2, इरिटेबल, get angry, violent, mind, anger, violent, page number 3. Mental journal. Brooding, overpast, mind, brooding, 10. Mental journal. Perspiration on face, face perspiration, 390. Physical journal. 5. Craving for salt, stomach desire, salt things, page number 48. Physical, salt things. Number 6. General. 6. Aversion to milk, stomach, 48. Physical journal. Aversion to milk, 1. Physical journal. Number 7. Skin itching, burst from scratching, skin itching, scratching. Age Characteristic particular, burning after scratching, skin burning, scratching after. Characteristic particular. Repertorial totality, hereby for Boger, symptoms, rubric, page number, comment. Element from mental exertion, aggravation and emulation in general, exertion, mind, emulation, 280 modality. Burst at night, condition in general, 270 modality. Burst from scratching, skin itching after scratching, 958 modality. Burst during rain, aggravation and emulation in general, rain, aggravation during 1136 modality. Craving for salt, appetite, desire for salty things, 477 physical journal. Aversion to milk, appetite, aversion to milk, 474 physical journal. Muscles weakness, sensation and complaints, weakness of muscles, 935 physical journal. Fall asleep late, sleep, falls asleep late, 981 physical journal. Repertoire totality for BTPB, Boningerson Therapeutic Book. A nice book or nice repertory with a physical journal, that is burst during rain, aggravation and emulation in general, rain, aggravation during 1116 modality. Number 2, craving for salt, appetite, desire for salty things, 477 physical journal. Number 3, aversion to milk, appetite, aversion to milk, 474 physical journal. Muscles weakness, sensation and complaints in general, weakness, muscle, 935 physical journal. Number 5, full asleep, fall asleep, late, sleep, fall late, 981 physical journal. Repertorial result here by Kant, Boger, BTPB. CPR 12 by 6, calcarea, sulfur 36 by 8, sulfur 12 by 6, carbonica 27 by 7, pulsatilla, highest strength 32 by 7, silesia 12 by 5, CPR 25 by 6, CPR 32 by 8. Pulsatilla highest strength 11 by 5, silesia 25 by 6, silesia 29 by 7, calcarea carb 11 by 6, sulfur 20 by 6, calcarea carb 26 by 8. Pulsatilla here with 24 by 6. With the help of 3 repetitive analysis and description according to the pulsatilla covering maximum marks here. With the help of these symptoms, which is hot patient, death for pungent, खुशबू वाली चीजें, salty things, namkeen, उस type की pulsatilla was prescribed. Conclusion in high grade and high rank. In this case, the repertory total is taken as for the philosophy of different repertories. The repertorial result demonstrate oneness of repertorization result, even though different repertories were used with the different totalities.